you invest in a high-quality vehicle like any of Germany's 5 premier brands, then you want perfection for as long as it's yours to drive. If your vehicle is ever involved in a collision, then that perfection must be restored.
D-Patrick Motoplex on Green River Road has the only collision center in the country certified by all 5 manufacturers. We are the only choice to fully restore your Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, or Volkswagen vehicle without voiding the warranty.
We have completed many extensive repairs, and we know when we put our customers' cars back together, their warranty is not affected. You have the right and you need to demand that your vehicle be brought to D-Patrick.
Details matter. When your car was first produced, the manufacturers used specialized equipment and parts to calibrate the unique design of each vehicle. A part of being certified by our manufacturers means D-Patrick has invested in certified equipment to match the precision of your vehicle's design standards.
But it's not just the equipment we invest in our people too. We know that making the right repair to your vehicle requires having the right technicians following the right procedures specified by your vehicle's manufacturer.
Each of our certified technicians undergo at least 4 years of training and spend another 6 to 8 weeks every year learning the latest repair methods for each performance brand.
All of the materials is, I think, what sets us apart. We know how to look them up, we know where to find them.
Some of the most extensive training I personally went through was BMW I-Train. Learning how to correctly repair and replace carbon fiber components is extremely challenging.
The manufacturer is looking for and putting the car back exactly the way that it was is the most important thing.
As you can see, we're passionate about the vehicles we sell. If you're in an accident, you have the right to choose where your vehicle gets repaired. After you call your family and your agent, insist on your vehicle being sent to D-Patrick Motoplex Certified Collision Center on Green River Road.